I think the police have gone now. You better run for it.
Yes, I will. Well, of all the twerps, I was already in and didn't know it. You're all right. You're not safe. You're in danger, terrible danger. There's a strange man in the house.
There certainly is.
He's a burglar.
What burglar are you talking about?
The man that broke in the house with me. I mean, he broke in and then pushed me through the window. Then I helped him mend the road sweeper and it all went wrong again and the police chased us. Now he's trying to steal your clocks. Please believe me, he's a desperate character.
Don't I know it?
There he is, pinching your clock now. Hey, stop, stop, you can't do that.
You're right, it's too heavy. I need help. Take the other end.
Oh, no, you don't.
Speak to me, Daddy.
Daddy? You mean he's...
My father's Sir Timothy Strawbridge. Now get out of here and stay out.
Oh, what have I done now? Oh, please, Sir Timothy, listen to Timothy. I didn't know you was you.
Daddy, speak to me.
Daddy, speak to us. I mean, Sir Timothy, speak to us. I didn't, I mean, I wasn't, I thought...
He thought you were a burglar, darling, stealing your own clock.
Not worth stealing, Jane. Always out of order. Ah, you can help me here, young fellow. Ah, all bits and pieces. That's the way I like things.
Well, I certainly won't have to help you take it apart.
Let's get to work. Come on.
Just look at yourself, all covered with dust. What you need is a bath.
Nonsense, Jane. It'll all brush off.
Father, why don't you show him all those wonderful gadgets of yours in the bathroom?
Excellent idea, Jane. This'll interest you. The Strawbridge Miracle Bathroom. Every apparatus the Strawbridge patent.
Oh. And while you're at it, see he gets a bath as well.
Don't you use water in your shower, sir?
Water? Oh, yes, water, yes. Turn on the tap, Mark, Singing in the Rain.
Please, Sir Timothy, will you answer me a few questions for the public opinion investigation, please?
Excellent idea, this public opinion investigation. Find out what people think. Good. Glad to answer your questions.
You mean you don't mind?
Mind? Of course I wouldn't mind. Why didn't you come round and see me before?
Before? Skip it. Now then, Sir Timothy, what in your opinion do you think the town needs most?
A new road sweeper. I'll give them one that works backwards and sideways. My own design. Sliding gears, reversible cogs, expanding three-way differential. I wear them long in winter and short in summer.
Now, Sir Timothy, are you satisfied that the council are doing all they can for the good of the town?
Whoa! Never met any of the rascals. You know them. You write the answers.
Yes.
Whoa!
I wish you wouldn't stop so quick. You'll have me off this thing. I've no brakes.